In Integral Yoga, Sri Aurobindo makes clear that just as there is a stage of matter before life, there is life after mind and consciousness. This is the supramental state, and beyond that is the supramental. This climax of the latter state is the source of the descent of different revelations of divine information. This implies that in the universe there are stages of evolution and consciousness far beyond what we can currently conceive. In the process of life and creation, we advance from a beginning state of electron plasma to crystallization into matter. Matter then goes through a natural state of refinement and becomes life. When matter becomes life, it develops an unconscious mental faculty that evolves into mind. However, this is a limited conditioned mind that learns through ignorance, ever aspiring to a higher state. This next stage is the supermind or truth consciousness, and occurs through a supermental descent. As mind advances to the supermental, it inevitably engages levels of intelligence and self-perfection that constitute a vast unified domain of evolved life in numerous otherworld systems, cosmic civilization. There is an incredibly vast cosmic civilization that it has its own levels and grades of evolution. At this cosmic state of evolution, we are supramental beings that have gone beyond the entitization of individual self. This is what the dynamics of time refers to as hyperorganic and subliminal states of consciousness, where finally the body itself has been transmuted into light. The stage of the Earth human occurs at 13.7 billion years into the current cosmic cycle. The human is passing from the state where consciousness has been operating in a pre-conscious or unconscious manner. The struggle of the human being at this stage is to remain conscious and develop discipline of both body and mind, to rise to the stage of continuing consciousness, the supermental descent. As we advance on the inner planes, we recognize that there are hierarchies of intelligence beyond us. There are higher intelligences that create crop circles through supramental techniques of telepathic inscription at long distances. We are also capable of this. Higher beings are showing us that this is a potentiality for us as well. We can create crop circles just as we can create a circuit board or computer chip. The emphasis is now on the yoga of self-perfection, the self evolving into a perfect state of union with God and with other selves as a collective called noosphere, or the descent of the supermind. This is the process of self-synchronization. In the life of the noosphere, everything will be considered yoga. Asanas, pranayama, dhyana, mudra, mantra, mandala, and synchronotronics all combine to create a spectrum of higher consciousness through discipline activity. This is the purpose of synchrogalactic yoga as introduced in chapters 4 and 5. By synchronizing the body, mind, and spirit, we become an integrated noospheric chip. This is a yogic process of total integration. In this process, we become synchronized with cosmic forces and parallel universes. This is an unfolding stage that we are now entering. We honor and give thanks to all yogic transmissions that have been handed down from the Stone Ages to the present. Because of the dedicated practice of the yogi-yoginis, we have a sense of knowledge that connects with higher cosmic consciousness, allowing us to become instruments, channeling higher cosmic voices that can be heard at this time as we enter the next evolutionary stage of planetary consciousness, the noosphere.